Good day to you all. This is C.H. Srinivasarao, lecturer in Computer Science, SVK Pandar K.S. Raj Arts and Science College, Penugonda. Welcome back to graphs theory in discrete mathematical structures. Now I want to explain graph algorithms. One is the depth first search. This is the graph algorithms are DFS and BFS. First one is depth first search. So this is the one graph, the vertices and adjacency list. What are the vertices? Here A, B, C, D, J, K, L, M. These are the vertices. Totally 4 plus 4, 8 vertices. For A, adjacent vertices are B, C, D. For A, adjacent vertices are B, C, D. For B, the adjacent vertex is A. For C, the adjacent vertices are A and K. For D, the adjacent vertices are A, K, L. For J, the adjacent vertex are L, M. For K, C, D, L. For L, D, J, K. This is L, D, J, K. For M, only one, that is a J. This is the adjacency list. By using this, you can implement the DFS and BFS. DFS means depth first search, and BFS means breadth first search. Here we use stack for DFS, and Q, data structure Q, is used for BFS. Now I want to explain the DFS algorithm. This is the DFS algorithm, depth first search algorithm. We use the stack. Now depth first means you verify, you visit each and every vertex in a fashion, that is by using the stack implementation. DFS, this algorithm executes a depth first search on a graph G, beginning with a starting vertex A. This is the graph, and this is the adjacency list, right? Now initialize all vertices to the ready state. So all vertices from A to M, all vertices are in the ready state. The status is nothing but 1. There are 3 statuses. Status 1 means initialized values not visited. Status 1 means not visited. Status 2 means it is already visited, placed in a stack. That is nothing but status 2. Status is equal to 2. Status is equal to 3 means, you are already visited, you popped from the stack, and the diagram you visited the particular, processed the particular vertex. Processing is over, then the status is 3. So status 1 means not processed. Status 2 means in waiting stage, or that is in stack, but you are visited. Status 3 means that is the process, you already processed, completed. So these are the 3 status for each and every vertex. Initialize for status 1 for each and every vertex of the graph. So A status 1, B status 1, C, like that. M status, all vertices status is 1. Initialize. That is the step number 1. And then push the starting vertex A. This can be pushed into the stack, and change the status of A to the waiting state. That means you are visiting here, you are visited here. The status of this one changed from status 1 to, initially all the vertices status is 1. Now the A status is 2, because this can be placed in stack. This vertex can be placed in stack. See this. Stack, the vertex is placed in stack. Only one vertex is placed here at present. So the status of A is 2. And repeat steps 4 and 5 until the stack is empty. In very starting, only one element is there in the stack. Only one element, A. Repeat 4 and 5, these 2 steps, until the stack is empty. So be careful about this. Now coming to the step number 4. Pop the top vertex. What is the vertex? Only one vertex in the stack. Just you can pop it. Pop the vertex A. That is, and pop that vertex N. That means in this example, the only vertex is A of stack, and process the particular A, and set status of that N is equal to 3. A status is 3. 1 initially, that is 1. Whenever you visited that A and pushed into the stack, the status may be changed to 2, and pop that one. So the status is 3. That means processed that one. Visited and processed. This is the process, right? Examine each neighbor. Now the stack only one element, you can pop it. and identify, pop the top vertex, that is the top vertex and this one. Examine each neighbor j of n. What is the neighbors of this A? Neighbors of this A is B, C, D. These are the neighbors or adjacencies. B, C, D. These are the. Now you can push these adjacent vertices of this A into the stack. Now in the order B, C, and D. So B, C, and D. D is on top of the stack. B is on bottom of the stack. D is on top. This is the bottom. Bottom of the stack is B. Top of the stack is D. So here examine each neighbor B, C, and D. So if the status of that one is 1, initially all these vertices status is 1. If it is 1, then push B into stack and the status value is 2. Similarly push D and C and D. So B, C, D, top of the stack is D. All these vertices status is 2. A vertex status is 3. This is already processed. So top of the stack is D, right? So if once this is over, the status of that one is 1. So push it into the stack and change the status of that one to waiting state. That means these are the waiting in stack. Status is 2. And end of step 3. Now go for this. End of step 3 and go for this. Repeat the steps 4 and 5 for these 3 vertices, right? So first pop the top vertex. What is the top vertex? D. You can pop it. Pop that particular D, process it. That is D status is 3 and process it. Okay, process. And once that is processed, you can pop it and process this D and find out the neighbors of that. Once you pop it, and if status of J is equal to ready state, so that is not ready state. If status of J is equal to waiting state, yes, waiting state. Delete that one, delete the D from the stack and from the stack and push the current J onto the stack. So this is not the status when just you go back and pop the top vertex of that one. Status of that one is 3 and process it. Now here is only you change the D status is 3. D status is 3. Examine each neighbor. So what are the neighbors of D? Neighbors of D. What are the adjacent of this D? A, K, L. A, K, L. These are the neighbors, right? So, and verify each neighbor. So, what is the status of A? Status of A is 3. Ignore it. And what is the next neighbor of for D? That is, neighbor is K. Just, what is the status of K? What is the status of K? That is the waiting, that is the waiting state. So, whenever status of K is newly visited, so that's why the status of this one is 1. So, that means newly visited vertex, and reset the status with 2. Reset the status with 2, right? Reset the status with 2 and come back to here. Still, we are processing one more adjacent of D is L. This is in pending. Now, once the A is over, ignore it and come to the next neighbor of D, that is the K. K status, you verify the K status. K status is ready state, that is the status is 1. Then make the reset the status value is 2 and that is in waiting state. And coming to this one, end of this one, go for this one. Again you verify, pop this particular K. This is the D is over. D is over, and once the D is over, you place the neighbors, D neighbors onto the stack. Neighbors A is already processed. The remaining neighbors are K and L. So based on the order, so the K is in the bottom and L is on top. So for D, the neighbors are 2. One is L and second one is K. So those two neighbors status can be changed from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. And push those two into stack. Push those two onto stack. So in the order, first you push the K and then L. Push the K and then L. So once the that is over, 3 and 4 is over, then come back to the step 3. And what is the top of the stack? L. Just you take the top of the stack. That is L. This is L. So you can pop it, pop the stack of the particular top element in the stack. So and make it the status value is 3. So A is processed, D is processed. Once the the vertex is processed, the neighbors are placed into stack. Now you pop the L and process the L and find out the neighbors of L. What are the neighbors of L? One is the D. D is already over, processed, ignore it. So the remaining neighbors are K and J. K is already visited. The state of that one is 2. So that's why delete the previous K, delete this previous K, delete this previous K and previous K from the stack and push the J onto the particular J onto stack. Now you see for L, what are the D, J, K? D, J, K. What is the D? D is already processed. Ignore it. What is the next one? J. J. Right? So again, J status is newly visited. Change the status from 1 to 2. Change the 1 to 2 and push the J value into stack. Push this J into stack. What is the next one? K. So K, verify the K. Next neighbor is K. So verify the K. K status is 2 because it is already over, that is in waiting in stack. So status is 2. If the status is 2, delete from this stack and delete the previous K from the stack and push the current J onto the stack. Just order change. Delete the K from the stack and again pushed into the stack. That means you remove the K from here and place it on top. So J is bottom and K is top. The order is changing. Now the top of the stack is K. If already visited, that is in waiting state, that must be in top of stack. If it is not visited, that is in bottom, right? So what is the top of the stack? K. So just you pop the K and process it. What are the neighbors of K? Neighbors of K is, one is the C and second one is D and third one is L. C, D, L. C, D, L. So C, what is the status of C? C is not processed. C is not processed. Only the process is for K, only the process is ADL. C is not processed, but it is in waiting. It is in waiting. So just you remove the C from stack and place it in stack, right? So place it in top of the stack. Remove from here and place it in top of the stack because the waiting state is 2, right? And then what is the next value for it? Next value for K is D is already processed and coming to L. So L is already processed. So D and L already processed. Only one thing is C. That C must be removed from stack and placed on top of the stack. Now top of the stack is C. Just you take the C is the top of stack, pop it and process it. So what are the vertices processed here? First A, D, L, K, C, right? Once you popped it, so neighbors are A, K. A, K are already processed, right? Ignore those two. And the next one is J. Next one is JB. Next one is J. Top of the stack is JB. The remaining vertices are JB. So next one is J. You remove the J, pop the J and find out the neighbors of this J. One neighbor is neighbors of J. One is L and second one is M. One is L and second one is M. L is already processed, right? Ignore it. Next neighbor is M. So this M must be placed here on the top of the stack, right? MB. And once the J is processed, now coming to top of you pop the M and you pop the M. And what are the neighbors of that one? J. For M, only neighbor is J. J is already processed. Ignore it. And the remaining is. So M is processed. After M, the stack has only one element, that is the B. Just you take the B, neighbors, verify the neighbors. A is already processed, ignore it, and the remaining vertices are not there. So you pop the P and process it, stack is empty. So this is the order. One is A, D, L, K, C, and then coming to L, and then J, M, lastly B. This is the BFS. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. I will explain the BFS in the next video. Thank you very much.